Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. My name's Sue, and today I'd like to share with you how to make oat flour. It's super simple and super quick. So if you'd like to see how to make oat flour, come with me and let's see. So the first step is you need to have something to grind it in. I know it's a bit tricky if you don't have anything, but it's super simple. If you've got a NutriBullet, if you've got a coffee grinder, or if you have a little blender or a big blender. Anyway, so I've got a NutriBullet, so I'm going to show you how to do it in a NutriBullet. So I've got my oats here. So I've got rolled oats. I can't remember if these are the big ones or the porridge oats. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to grab a cup. So I've got a half a cup. So if I'm going to make a cake, I'd probably measure out the exact amount that I need. But for the demonstration, I'm just going to do half a cup. So pop it into my small beaker. I've got the blade that grinds. And then just make sure our machine's on. It's on. And then we just whiz it like this. Now we have oat flour. That's how simple it is. So what I'd recommend is if you're baking a cake and you've run out of flour, but you've got oats and you've got a NutriBullet or you've got a blender, try making your own oat flour, and then you can just swap it out for one of your cake recipes or biscuits or even pancakes. So thank you for watching my how to make oat flour. And if you've liked my video, need a hand, put the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Bye.